Yeah, hi friends, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this particular video, we will learn another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel. So that is XLOOKUP. So that function, that formula, that function will help us to become a more productive person in our workplace. It will reduce our working time. We can deliver more work in less time. Okay, so I will show you how we can use these tools, how we can use this function, and we can leverage our time. Okay, so we can deliver our work within few minutes. Okay, suppose you have a large data, suppose you have some thousands data, lakhs data. So what you can do is, if you want to do it manually, it will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lots of time. So instead of that, what you can do is, you can use this function, XLOOKUP function, you can use, and you can increase your productivity and you can deliver that work within a few minutes only. Okay, so here it is. So what is XLOOKUP and how it works? XLOOKUP, suppose I have here a small data. Okay, a small data, just for experiencing purpose, just to show you how it works. In your case it might be different. You might have a large data, but it will, if you know the function, if you know the formula, it will work for any data. Okay, so here it is. So XLOOKUP, whenever I will type equal XLOOKUP, it has 3 mandatory arguments. So 3 fields you need to fill mandatorily, and other 3 fields are there, that is optional. You can fill it, you may not fill it anyway. So the first thing is lookup value. Whenever I will type, okay, let me type, and then, so suppose this is my data. Here the name is there, then the city is there. So suppose name wise I want to find out the data. It's a small data only, so in your case it might be different, it might be a big data. Okay, so what I will do is, by name I want to find out the city name. Okay, so now what I will do is, I will start with equal. That means I am telling Excel that we are going to give you a function, we are going to give you a formula, you will work like that way. Okay, so now I will type XLOOKUP. So when I type X only, so it has come in the drop down, XLOOKUP. Now if I press, you can manually you can type the open parenthesis, or what you can do is, you can press tab, it will come, the open parenthesis will come. Now the first argument is, here you can see 6 arguments are there: lookup value, lookup array, return array, and now in bracket it is there, if not found. This bracket means that is optional. You can give, you may not, you cannot give, anyway that would not matter, but 3 fields are mandatory, you need to fill. So the optional fields are like if not found, match model, and search model. So anyway, we will not explain this thing. Anyway, I will explain this if not found, then what will happen, I will explain. So the first thing is lookup value. Lookup value means, here I have written what is lookup value. Lookup value means, what cell are you looking for, what cell are you looking up, which cell. So it should be this cell, the name cell. This name I am looking for, this name I am looking. Okay, now lookup array, the name, the whatever I am looking, that input, where it is, where the input is. Suppose I am looking Dev, the name Dev. So Dev, where it is belongs. So I need to provide that array, that range I need to provide. And then after that, a return array. So if it matches, then what would be the input, what the result should be, what the result I am expecting. So that is the thing, 3 mandatory field. Now if not found, then what, that is also we will learn. Anyway, so what I will do is, I will provide, I have typed the XLOOKUP. Now the lookup value is this. Suppose the Dev, this name I am looking for. Now comma, then it is asking lookup array, the name, this name Dev, where it is. So I will select the range, I will provide the entire range. So suppose here it is, and now I will press comma, and now it is asking return array, where my return is, where my result is. So my result is here inside the city, so I will select the city section. So here it is. Now as 3 arguments are mandatory, so as of now I will close it. I can press enter, or I can close the parenthesis, and now I will press enter. Now see here, Dev Chandigarh, they from Chandigarh. Okay, so now let's see, is it correct or wrong? So here it is, they from Chandigarh. It has given me the correct result. Now as it is dynamic field, I can type anyone's name like Araf. The first name is Araf. So if I spell it correctly, see, Araf, it is from Mumbai. Now if I say Kabir, Bengaluru. Okay, so now suppose I am typing anyone's name, suppose my name, I think it is not there. So see, if I type my name, so it's providing a error. Error means NA, nothing is there. So actually my name is not listed here. Okay, so what I can do is, if instead of NA I can use some words like some warning or some stopping, some information I can share, right? So what I will do is, after this I will just minus this formula, and now it is asking if not found, then what will happen. So I will provide a message. So as of now, I think you know, if we write any text, it should be in quotation. Okay, so quotation, I would say name is not listed. So this message I want to give them. Now I will press, I will close the bracket, or I can press enter. So here it is. What is saying? I did something mistake. Let me check. Okay, I should give comma, then this. Let me check whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. So comma I forgot to give. Anyway, so here it is. Suppose I am giving any other name which is not listed, which is not in my list, this section, the name section, it is not there. So it will give me a error message, or it will give me a message, the name is not listed. So in your case it might be different, you can write anything. Okay, so now one more cool thing we can implement here. So as it is the HLOOKUP video, so what we can do is, we can use a data validation also. This is the dynamic field, name field is the dynamic field. Any name we will write here, we will get the result if that name is here in this list. Okay, so we will get the result anyway. So what we can do is, one more cool thing we can implement here, data validation. If you know it, you can implement it. If you don't know, anyway, I have one video also that data validation is there, the entire data validation. So what you can do is, you can create a drop down here, and you can select the name. Whenever you will select the name, the city will come. Okay, so that is data validation. Another video is there inside my course. So what you can do is, you can implement that as well. So if you have big data, so I think you have understood how we can use HLOOKUP, and we can increase our productivity, we can deliver our work. So this is a small data, and now you can realize that this is a small data. So what we can do is, we can do it many ways, like with filter we can find it, what is the city name of anyone's name, or control F, we can find it the name. Anyway, you can do it. But if you have a large data, in that case, it is the better way, it is the best way. You can use this HLOOKUP, and you will get the result within few minutes, you will get the result. But if you have big data, in that case, filtration or control F, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so anyway, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. If you have any data, or you can create a dummy data from ChatGPT or any Copilot, any other large language model, and there you can download it, you can practice it, and it will help you a lot. It will reduce your working time, you can deliver more work in less time, and it will help us to become more productive. Okay, so in this video we will learn a very powerful tool inside Microsoft Excel, that is left and find. So if you, I think if you think that, oh, I know left and find, if you know it separately, like how to use left only, how to use find only, as of now I think you know the how to use left only, how to use find only, that is okay. But how to use left function with the find keyword, with the find function, So this is one of the super powerful tool, and I will show you how we can use it. It will reduce our working time, we can deliver more work in a less time, and it will make us super productive. Okay, so if we use only left function, sometimes it may not give you the right answer, because based on your expectation. I will show you how it is not correct sometimes. But sometimes if you use that text left function as well as the find function, it will produce a perfect answer, depends on based on your expectation. It will fulfill your expectation. Okay, so I will show you how we can use this super powerful tool in Microsoft Excel, super powerful function in Microsoft Excel, so that we can do our lot of work in a less time, and we can make ourselves super productive. Okay, so here I have taken one data, it's a dummy data again. I have taken only the city name. So suppose you have a large data. Okay, so now I just want to make you understand how this work. Okay, so you can implement this function and all these things for your data. Okay, so now here is the thing. I have taken some city name. I think I have 20 or 30, 21 city, 20 cities names are here. Anyway, so what I will do is, if I use, suppose I need only the city name. Here it is like New Delhi, comma DL. The code is also there, so I don't need the code. I need only the city name, New Delhi. So what I will do is, if I use, suppose if you are thinking, okay, I will use the left function. Okay, let's see how left function, only left function work. So here I will provide left. Okay, now I will provide tab or open parenthesis, anything you can do. Now it is asking for the text. Okay, so now it is asking for the text, so I will manually I can select A2, or what I can do is I can press the left arrow, so it will go to the A2 itself, A2 row itself. Okay, so now I will provide the comma. Now it is asking number of characters, how many numbers I want, how many numbers or characters I want from the left. So again, so before that, let me tell you what are the characters. Characters means it may be a alphabet, it may be a number, it may be a symbol as well, it may be a page as well. Okay, so now for this case, in 1 2 3, here is one page, right? So it will be also one character. So 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 characters from the left I want, so I will write 9, and then I can press enter, or I can close the parenthesis. Okay, so now I will press enter. Now see, it has come correctly, right? But what about others? If I go New Delhi and then if I do this, so see how it's coming. So for New Delhi it is correct, but for Mumbai has come, then the comma has come, then the aim also, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it has delivered the 9 characters. It doesn't doesn't care that whether the comma is there or any other phase is there. It will not calculate, because this is a system, right? So you need to educate that system that I don't want like that way. Okay, so now for Bengaluru it is correct, for Chennai it is again the comma is there, Kolkata, Hyderabad is correct, but see the Pune also, Pune, then comma, and the code also, the short code or state code also come. Okay, code also came. So the thing is, I don't need this report like this way, correct? Same for you will not like this report like this way. Okay, so you want only the city name. So for this purpose, what we can do is, we can use left function as well as find function. So I will show you how we can use that, so that we can reduce our working time, and we can make us super productive. So here I will control shift plus, so I will insert a column here. Now what I will do is, I will do the almost same thing, equal. I will tell Excel that we are going to start a formula. So I am going to give you a formula. So here now I will press a left, then tab or open parenthesis. Now it is asking for text, so I will again I will press the down arrow, left arrow here. Now I will provide comma. Okay, so now it is asking number of characters. So instead of number of characters, I will not provide the number of characters, because then it's delivering the wrong data, right? It is not wrong, but I am providing the wrong insight, so I will not get the exact result. So what I will do is, instead of number of characters, what I will do, I will press the another function, that is find. Again, you can do it open parenthesis or tab. Okay, now it is asking find text. What I will find, Excel is asking that what I will find. So you find the comma. I will tell that Excel, that Microsoft Excel, that you find comma, and then you provide the whatever there is left side, you will deliver that report. You will deliver that whatever is there. So find, and I told already that whenever we will enter something like in a text or in a symbol, we need to keep it inside the quotation. Okay, so now quotation, then what I want comma. From comma, how many characters are there in left side, you will provide all the details. So now I will provide again I will close the quotation. So this is find this comma. Then what will happen, then it is asking within text where Excel will get that comma. So again I will select my data. My data is like A2, right? So I will press left, manually you can do it, otherwise left arrow, I will go to A2. So now I have given this. Okay, now see, after providing this, after providing within text, there is one again one bracket is there, and it is asking start number asking. So this is optional. Whenever this kind of quotation is there, so that means it is optional. We can provide it, we may not provide it, anyway it will work. So now what I will do is, I will close the parenthesis, or I will provide tab only, so it will work for me. So double quote, because twice we use the open parenthesis, so we need to close it. Now see, I will press enter and see how it works. So it will find the comma, and before comma how many characters are there. I did not specifically, I did not mention that how many characters I want. I just injected, I just told that till comma how many characters are there, you will deliver all the character. That is what. So now I will do, I will now see how it is coming. Is there any extra? Before comma, whatever we have, so it will deliver all the details. New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Kochi, Bhopal, all this are in no extra. I think after comma nothing is there, because that is why what we wanted, right? So now there is also one problem. The problem is, suppose your desired outcome was only the city name, not the comma, because who needs the comma? Only the city name you want, right? So in this case also we can modify one thing. How? See, I will select this, Control Shift plus, I will insert one, manually you can do it just by clicking right click and you can insert it, but I mostly I use the shortcut. So Control Shift plus, that means you are inserting a column or inserting a row. So now what I will do is, I will do the almost same thing what I did for this for getting this city name only. So what I will do is equal left tab, then I will select my text, comma, then I will write find, then tab or open parenthesis, what Excel will find, quotation, comma, quotation close, comma, then now where this comma the Excel will get. So again A2 I will select, I will close it, I will close it. And now what I will do is, because I don't need this comma, right? I don't need this comma, I need only the city name. So what I will do is -1 I will write, and now I can tab it, I can enter it. I will not tab it, I will enter it, or I will close the one open parenthesis is there, so I will close by one close parenthesis. Okay, or I can press the enter simply. So now see how it happens. Now see, only New Delhi is there. For the other city, will it work? Let me check. Yes, it is. Only the city name: New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, all this. There is no comma. So I think you have understood how we can use the left function with the find function, so that we can get a professional standard answer based on our desired outcome. Okay, so it will reduce our lot of time, it will make us super productive as well. So you have got it. The first, only left may not be work for you, some of most of the cases. Okay, only left may not work for you. Even if you use left and find function, there also one problem we have identified, that we wanted to remove the comma. So that is what we did. How we did, just pressing -1, we remove the comma itself, and now we have got the the desired perfect answer. We wanted to get only the city name. So this is how the fresh city name we have got, without any comma, without any after comma, any short state code name, or any kind of name. We have got the desired response from Excel. So this is how we can use left and find function, and we can reduce our working time, we can deliver more work in a less time, and we can make us super productive. Okay, so you use it for your data, and let me know if you are facing any challenges. I will try to help you. Okay, so yeah, so in this video we will learn a very powerful tool in Microsoft Excel. That tool will help us to increase our productivity by more than 10x. Okay, and that tool will reduce our working time as well. It will save our lot of time. It will save our lots of time, because suppose you are playing with the big data, or you have some sales report, you have some 1,000 reports, or lakhs reports you have, and you play with that data and all those things. So this tool will help you. This tool will reduce your working time, and it will help you to increase your productivity as well. Okay, so the tool name is Flash Fill. I will show you how you can use it and how it is super powerful. I will show. But before that, suppose you are a working professional or you are a student, and every day you play with the data. You have millions of data, billions of data, you have lakhs of data, or you play with that data. So this tool will help you to increase your productivity, and it will reduce your lot of time. Okay, so let's see how that tool help. So the thing is, here I have a small data. Just for example purpose, I have taken here, I think 50 or 52 data are there. It's a dummy sales data I have taken. So here, suppose this kind of data you have. Suppose in the name section, the name is coming like that way. Maybe not only name, in your case it might be different, any kind of data you may have. So suppose in name section, the name is coming like this way. Suppose Arnab Sharma, correct? And then the Onika Verma, and then some sales data, or maybe the salary, or maybe the monthly sales, or the daily sales, or anything. Maybe the mobile number, in your case it might be different. So suppose the data is coming like that way, and it is quite unorganized type. It's quite not in a structured way, correct? So suppose your boss is telling to correct it, or you are sending some data to someone. If you send this data, it is not a good idea to send this data, because it is not in a structured way, it is not in a presentable way. So what you can do it. Suppose here it is clear that the first name is there, last name is there, and it may be a salary, it may be sales. So as I have taken the sales data, I would say it's a sales data per day, sales data it is. Okay, so now I want to split that all the things like first name, last name, and the cell, the different column, different row. I want to mention that thing. So what we will do is, we will tell a pattern to Microsoft Excel. We will educate that pattern, that this is our pattern. I want to get my data like that format. So we will educate that Microsoft Excel, that we need the result like that way by following that pattern. Okay, so what we will do is, suppose how we want to get the data. Suppose here I want the first name, so I would say Araf. Oh, it was Araf, not Arnaf. Araf. Then I would say Sharma. Araf Sharma. This is the last name. Araf is the first name, last name is Sharma, and then sales, suppose it is 42,341. So this is my desired format. So this is, I think this is the good way to present or share the report to anyone. So this is my perfect format. This is the format I want. Okay, so what I will do is, I have already informed the Microsoft Excel that I need this format. Now what we will do is, suppose in the two ways we can use that super powerful tool, that is flash fill. So two ways we can use it. The one way is, we will actually, I have hide that the ribbon and all the tab I have hidden. So let's play. So there are two ways. The first way, what we can do is, you will go to home, then with this fill section, the editing section, and there fill section, here is flash fill you will get. So now if you click it, see how the magic happens. Because I have already injected, I have already informed, I have already educated the pattern that I need the first name only this column. This section, this column section, I need only the first name, because the pattern, the first thing I have mentioned here, this is my pattern. Here it will be the first name, here will be the last name, here will be the sales. So now like this way, after that I have kept the cursor here, and then I have pressed the flash fill, and then the entire row, entire column section, it has taken the first name only. Suppose here I have 52 data, in your case it might be 500 data, might be 5,000 data, 5 lakh data, so lots of data. So it will take automatically, you are not supposed to do it manually. So this is the one way. And the next way is, I will go to this section. What I will do is, there is one shortcut, that is Control E. So if I press this thing, Control E, it will do the same work for me. So the last name, so here I have injected that the last name I want this into this column. So see, Sharma, then it is Verma, then it Mehta, Singh, all the details it has taken. So anyway, there are two ways you can use it. You can do it manually by that this field, like home, then you need to go to fill section, editing section, and then fill. Inside fill you will get flash fill. You can do it like this way, or you can use the shortcut. I prefer to use as much as I can the shortcut way, the shortcut way. So you can use the same thing. So for this purpose also I will use shortcut, that is Control E, and here you go. So now it is done. Now it is done. So I think you have got the idea how you can use this super powerful tool, that is flash fill, for your data filtering, for your data structuring. You have some haphazard data, you have some unorganized, unstructured data, and you want to any kind of pattern. This is only one pattern, so you suppose in a different way you want to get, suppose the first name and last name you want to get in a single column, and the sales or salary in a different column. So that is also possible. So the first thing, you need to educate that system, you need to educate that Microsoft Excel that I need that pattern. So accordingly, if you enter the Control E or the flash fill option, accordingly it will provide you the details. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. This is one of the super powerful tool you can use in Microsoft Excel, and I'm sure you will practice it and you will get the result out of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, you keep practicing. Thank you. Hey, do you want to learn more about advanced Excel? Do you want to master advanced formulas and functions, data validation, pivot table, pivot charts, graphs, dynamic arrays, advanced formatting, macros and VBA, and most powerful Power Query? If the answer is yes, I have something good for you. I have crafted one course only for the working professionals and students like you who wants to master advanced Excel and increase their productivity. The course is Advanced Excel Mastery Course with AI. So in this course you will learn advanced Excel productivity hacks in 2025. There are nearly 27 videos are there. Then you will learn advanced formatting in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so there are also 30 plus videos are there. Then you will learn dynamic arrays. There also 35 plus modules will be there. And then you will learn data validation in Microsoft Excel. There also 30 plus videos are there. And then you will learn advanced Excel formulas and functions. There I think 40 plus videos will be there. And then you will master pivot table and pivot charts. Okay, there also 40 plus videos are there. And then you will learn 350 plus shortcut keys. Then you will learn 20 plus charts and graphs. That is very powerful. There also 30 plus videos will be there, 25 plus videos will be there. And then you will learn more powerful, that is Power Query, how you can work with Power Query within Excel. Okay, this is very powerful. And then at last you will learn macro, how you can automate your work, how you can automate your daily work. Total 9 plus modules are there and 250 plus videos are there as of now. So if you are interested in this course, if you want to learn more about advanced Excel, if you want to master advanced Excel, then you enroll that course. Okay, the link is there in the description box. And the best part, you know what, if you enroll today, you will get the lifetime access and lifetime free update as well. So whenever you are free, that time you watch the video, it will never expire. So lifetime you will get the access. And lifetime free update means, so in upcoming days, whenever I will update new modules, that time you will get the instant access. So for that new module you are not supposed to pay extra money. Okay, it is one time purchase only, you need to pay only one time and you will get the lifetime access. One more thing I just want to share with you, if you enroll today you will get 90% discount, you need to pay only 10%. If you enroll now, you will get the instant access and you can implement those skills from now onwards. Okay, so again, that offer is only for the limited time. So if it is already expired, please excuse me. Thanks.